Yo, driving up to the parking structure, you know what time it is. We just finished wrapping the Tesla Model Y in some purple matte satin. I don't know, it's just a very crazy color. It's like a dark to black kind of purple. We were pretty excited to wrap this car in that purple, just because there's not too many in this kind of purple. Like I said, it turns black and then dark purple, depends on the sunlight. But I'll get off the car right now, show you guys the color real quick, do like a footage around, and just want to let you guys know this car was actually white, so we were able to cover as much as we can on all the white kind of like openings around the car. But yeah, definitely we took the whole car apart, put it back together. Customer's on his way, so she should be here in about 30 minutes or so. But check out the bling bling, the little purple with the little shine bright like a diamond. All right guys, let's check it out.